At Skinflint, we've combined a passion for classic design with a commitment to sustainability to become Europe's leading vintage lighting retailer. All our lights are exclusively high-quality originals, dating between 1920 and 1970, and sourcing them takes us to the most intriguing locations. Once the salvaged items reach our Victorian warehouse, our specialist team gets busy researching each light. This allows us to work out the best way to re-engineer each one, restore it sensitively, and bring it up to modern-day standards. It's called product circularity, and it's better for our future than the make, take, use, lose model that drives overconsumption and climate change. For over a decade, we've been supplying private residences and commercial clients all over the world with an ever-changing and evolving range of lighting, an unrivaled level of service, the story of each item's origin, salvage and restoration, and a lifetime warranty that includes repairs. We also offer our full circle buyback scheme, where after a year of ownership, clients can return lights in exchange for a 50% credit towards a future purchase. Returned items are then restored, certified, and placed back into the market. This is our commitment to sustainability through the circular economy. Come and explore our range of vintage lights. Tell your friends, families, and colleagues. Become a more conscious consumer with Skinflint.